All right, everybody. This is the final tutorial in getting started with DaVinci Resolve. And what I want to do with my music video is I want to end it. So I'm just gonna choose a place to end it. You know, you can do some editing. You know, I'm just gonna end it right here. So you know, you're editing your video, give it a good ending. And then what you want is to end with titles. So pretty much everything you create, you want to end with some credits at the end, right? So you're going to go up here to the effects library, click that. This should open up, and just to help you with if any of these windows ever get all messed up, and you just can't find things the same way. You can open up all kinds of things, change the shape of these windows, move things around. If it ever gets messed up, you can always go to Workspace and reset UI layout. And that resets everything back to fresh, how it was when you first ever opened the program. All right, so there may be some things like this that you don't want. Effects library, I'm going to open that up. And I'm going to open up the toolbox here, and then I see right here titles. So titles, I got just regular text, scrolling text. I'm going to do scrolling text for the end of my video here. All right, it's usually a good thing at the end. So I'm going to drag that out, drop it. All right, if I look at it, I can see you got title there. Okay, I don't want it to be title, but I'm going to double click on this. And then I open up the inspector for it. And then I see title right there. And I can change. Hi, Tony. Farley. All right. And I can do a return. Just, music by... I think it's the Fugees who do that. Not exactly sure. I'm pretty sure it's the Fugees. Find out who did your song, who to credit for your song. You could write whatever you want. You could write all your people there. Maybe I want to center it. Yeah, so I'm going to center it. All right, looks good. And now I can just go here and watch it. All right, pretty cool. Yeah, so that's good. All right. And then of course, this is all ending, so you want to cut your music off. So I'm just going to use the blade tool, or B key, A key to get back to selection. Oop, I locked it. It's locked, so I couldn't it wouldn't let me cut it. Thank you. I like that when things actually work. So B key to get the blade. I unlocked it. Now I can cut it. A key to get the selection key. Delete that. Hit the delete button. And then a cool thing right here, this little square right up here at the top corner, if I pull that over, I get a fade. So it's fading the music out. So, maybe when the scrolling starts. Beautiful. Love it. All right. So that's cool. At the end, at the beginning of every music video, there's usually something called the lower third. So right up here we have left lower third, middle lower third, and right lower third. I'm going to do the right lower third. I'm going to drag it right up above onto the V2 layer, and you can see what that does. That does text over here. So I can do, I usually do the song. So this is Ready or Not. All right, and this title down here, if I just scroll down here, I can right here and the Fugees. All right, so that's what you want at the beginning. You want the the song and the band right there, and of course all the text controls, everything that you want to do. You can click buttons here. Is anything changing? No. Oh my God. You can change the color. Let's see if it works. Yeah, red. Okay, good. So you can change the color. You can change the size. It's not allowing me to change the size. It's beeping at me. There we go. Thank you. Okay. Change the size, tracking, line spacing, all those fonts, everything you can change. I'm just keeping it regular. There's the font. All right. All those fonts. I'm just going to keep it like that. That's how mine's going to start. Maybe I want it to come in just a little late on there. Maybe it's up to you. Maybe I want it to fade in. Well, then here I can fade in. So any clip you can fade in or out. There's always going to be a little square above there where you can do that. All right. So now it's going to fade in, fade out. So next is export. So we've left off a few things like color and audio mixing, but right at the end here, and we will get back to those things, but right here we're going to go to the deliver. All right, so deliver, H.264 is fine. Give it a file name, dfar underscore mvid underscore 001. All right, maybe I'll just music video. Hey, what happened? Okay, so give it a name. Also give it a location. So location, make sure you browse your location. I'm just gonna put mine on the desktop. It's usually what I do. Final exported videos, I want to put them up on YouTube or somewhere. So just putting it on my desktop. All right, and then once you got the name, the location, the render setting right here, you're ready to add it to the render queue, and then you'll see it over here, and then start the render, and now it's rendering it. All right, just FYI up here with these types, you might try YouTube. I haven't tried that with Resolve, so I've avoided that right now. If you're going straight to YouTube, you might have to sign into your YouTube account. Also, H.265 is a more recent and better codec for compressing video, so you might try that. It does work on YouTube. I've tried it. Works great. So all these other ones, are for if you're going to another program like Premiere or Final Cut Pro or Pro Tools or something like that. And then ProRes. ProRes is great, but this is a big file, and this is best if you're bringing this project to another project or giving it to another person to work on. You bring it into another Resolve project to work with, or Final Cut or something like that. So if you're giving it to somebody else and they're still going to work on it, then you want to do ProRes because it's easy to edit, it's high quality, it's just a really big file though. Okay, so that's the file types up there. All right, if you go into the web, H.265 or H.264, do that. That's what we're doing. So that's what I think we're all done. Completed. Yep. All right, and that is the end of this series of tutorials. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you know how to edit a video, edit a music video. And I'll see you next. Maybe we'll do some coloring next. We have not done the coloring. We will do that. Look at that. That's beautiful. Curves, nodes, lots of stuff in color. All right, and we got to do some animating as well. Anyway, that's it. Okay, bye-bye.